Hello and welcome back. So on today's video we're gonna take you through what is probably gonna be a mother journey. So out there we have a M4 BMW M4 Competition. It's a very unique color. The issue that we've seen already is that there's a lot of orange peel, and although the car is shiny, there's no clarity to it. So we've been talking to the customer back and forth and trying to find a way to explain to him what is needed for this car. It might require some light sanding in some areas and whatnot. So for that, I'm gonna have a good friend of mine, Victor, coming from Orlando, and we're in Fort Lauderdale. And Victor, he has a lot of experience, with this type of orange peel removal. So he will be coming down and advising us on what we're gonna be doing, and then from there, we will have a game plan, and then we will execute the plan. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing, and I think that Victor is out here right now, so let me flip this around and have a chat with Victor. We got Victor in the house. Hi Victor, how's it going?
Very good, good.
All right, so we're gonna do the assessment of the BMW, and then Victor's gonna advise us what we're gonna do here. So far, what you see, Victor? What how's it look like?
A lot of orange peel.
Okay, this area here is quite bad, no?
Yeah.
All right.
Roll over.
Okay. Should we measure the paint to see where we at?
Sure.
Okay.
Start over here.
Okay.
This way is 5.7.
All right. So what we're gonna do, a test spot, and then we go, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna do a step cut and anywhere over here, and then we go from there.
Okay. Well, let's do it up.
All right.
Okay, a better view of the orange peel right here. Okay, so this is the after section. We just show you the before. There was no clarity whatsoever. Now there's a huge improvement. So that was part of the work that we did. So I just want to show you the after. Okay, so with the oxidation block, clay block, break it in on the window, just glide back and forth. Same on the surface. And although I'm gonna be polishing this car, I feel that if we do this step, then my pad won't get all clogged on the beginning because it's picking up whatever is there. So I like to do this step right after washing. It doesn't take long. Just simply glide back and forth. Start with the windows, carbon fiber, painted surfaces. It's all good. Just simply glide it back and forth. The wheel cleaner deluxe, safe for any wheels and the tires. One more close up before. Let me show you the back one so you can see the turbo wax wheel cleaner deluxe, how it brights the wheels up. Look at this. Look at that huge improvement. You see that? Ha! Next step, I like to dry with this thing here, air dryer. It does take a little longer, but I can get all the water from all the hard to reach places. Okay, so we got the left hand side done and came out stunning, and there's our reflection, and then we're gonna slowly glide to the right hand side to see what we have. We have not done the right hand side right there. You can clearly see the difference right there. So the process is working, and all of that was done with wet sanding and with the keen the Turbo Wax Sweat Remover Pro X. One simple product right here. So we will continue. Okay, so we're about to take care of the engine bay, all of that. We're gonna coat all those plastic, all this carbon fiber we just did with this little gizmo here. So it's looking good. So the next step is gonna be we're gonna steam clean the whole engine bay, all of these areas right here, all of that, and then we're probably gonna go into these areas here. We're gonna go into the area of the doors, gonna go into the door jambs, all of that. So we are about ready to put the coating on the whole car, but we're gonna do the steam cleaning first, and that way we're good to go. We don't have any water or any residue coming out right here. We got the steamer cooking right now and all of that, so the engine bay should look real nice. And we're gonna put the ceramic on all the carbon, the painted pipes. I'm gonna clean the under the hood right here. See a little bit of stuff. So once we finish with the engine bay, then we can move on to the outside to put the ceramic, and I can't wait. Right now this is just with the sweat remover. It's a big mess, but it's looking good. We polished the glass already. Better view right here. We took all the orange peel out, everything. It looks phenomenal. Beautiful. So yeah, let's do it up. Okay, so here's the end result of the M4 Competition. It came out phenomenal. This thing is beautiful. So let's start from here, and of course we use the Turbo Wax Sweat Remover, and then we put the boosted 2.0 ceramic coating. We sprayed the grill, we polished and did the carbon fiber and the grills down there. The wheels we put this little green lettering in there. We hand painted that. The glass we polish everything. That's the roof, the carbon fiber roof. So as you recall, she was lacking a lot of clarity. Now she's here and it looks beautiful. Look at that shine, and all protected back here. So we're very happy with the end result of this car. Let me show you the interior, and we also did the engine bay. Okay, the interior was all completely done using the Turbo Wax interior dressing RP1, and the carbon fiber was all polished and then coated with the boosted. Came out phenomenal. The door jambs, everything, all of these poles, this was ceramic coated, everything. So the interior looks flawless. We steamed the carpets too, so that's quite nice on that. Okay, and the engine bay, it came out great. So we steam cleaned the engine bay, and we ceramic everything that you can see, all the carbon fiber, all these pipes. We did the underneath, look at that. So all the plastic trim, but the engine bay looks just beautiful. Okay, so she's done. A lot of work, but this is the end result. put it outside on the sun about 3 times to make sure I didn't miss any spots. After a while, your eyes, they lie to you, but I think that it came out pretty good. Gotta hurry up, put it back inside so it doesn't get any dust. Made some details. We painted those green letters. And the flies like it. The M4 competition is done. That was a big job, it was a big journey, but I am ecstatic about the results. She looks beautiful. Engine bay, outside, interior, wheels, everything was touched, and it came out real nice. So I'm sure the customer will be ecstatic to see his car in this condition now. Now we will provide him with the guidelines how to maintain it. We put 2 coats of the Turbo Wax Ceramic Booster 2.0, and then yeah, from here he will maintain it, and maybe every 6 months or 7 months he can bring it back for a light touch up to make sure we keep her in good shape. So anyways, I want to thank you for watching, and thank you for the emails and messages, and don't forget to check us on Instagram, Turbo Wax, our online store, turbowax.com, and we're moving on to the next one. Thank you for watching.